In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add frequently asked questions and automated responses on your Instagram. You can simply add FAQ and responses in your Instagram DM in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, tap on this option of business tools and controls. Then select frequently asked questions. Enable to show questions in chat. Tap on add question. You will have to add some questions that people usually ask you frequently. Then add an answer to the above question. Whenever someone selects that question in chat, they will receive an automated reply. You can add up to 5 questions and answers in your Instagram chat. That's how easy it is to add frequently asked questions and answers in Instagram chat. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.